Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making Black Chickpeas Indian Curry. You might also know it as Kala Chana Curry. I am preparing this on an open pan, but I will also explain you how you can get this done in a pressure cooker. So without further ado, let's get started and don't forget to watch till the end. We are going to soak the black chickpeas or kala chana first. I have taken around 250 grams of dry black chickpeas. Add water. Make sure you add double or more as the black chickpeas will soak the water and puff up exactly how the normal chickpeas does. You can soak them overnight or at least for 5 to 6 hours. See, they have puffed up and ready to be cooked. Black chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, so we need to make sure that they get soaked and then cooked properly. Add them to the pressure cooker along with 2 medium-sized potatoes, adding a little bit more water, and then add half teaspoon of salt, though it's optional. Heat a pan and add oil. Once the oil is hot, make sure that the heat is at low or medium low and then add half teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 large finely chopped onion. Sweat the onion, cook it over medium heat. If you are new to this channel, I am here to help you in your vegan or plant-based journey with easy recipes. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for future notifications. Once the onion is translucent, add 7 to 8 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 inch of chopped ginger and 1 large chopped green chilli. Cook for 2 minutes over low heat. Time to add the spices. 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder and cook for 2 more minutes over low heat. Spices tend to cook really fast and burn even faster, so make sure to keep stirring them. You will see the oil separating from the spices. Add tomato paste. I blended 1 large tomato. You can use finely chopped tomato or tomato puree as well. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Remember, we added some salt while cooking the black chickpeas and potatoes as well. Going forward, you will also be able to find my videos on the Daily Hunt app, so make sure to download the application. While the tomato is getting cooked, check the black chickpeas and potatoes. I cooked them up to 4 whistles. If needed, you can go up to 5 whistles too. Potatoes are cooked to perfection. Also check the chana or black chickpeas and see if it breaks easily. Meanwhile, the tomato is cooked and the gravy looks amazing and smells great too. I separated the water from the chickpeas and potatoes and now I'm adding it to the pan. Mix and also mash a couple of potatoes and black chickpeas. This will thicken the gravy. This is something my mom always does while preparing this recipe. Now add water as per the gravy you need. You can totally eat it like this, but if you want to eat it with rice and need some curry, add some extra water. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and cook over medium heat till it comes to a boil. Remember, you can always adjust the spices as per your liking in the curry. The curry has started to boil and you will see that the oil will start to float on the top. Another indication that it is done. Finally, garnish it with some fresh finely chopped coriander leaves and the vegan black chickpeas curry or the kala chana curry is ready. Serve it with some chapati, paratha, puri or rice. When you are preparing this in the pressure cooker, do the same process of preparing the base of the curry till we cook the tomatoes and then add the uncooked potatoes and black chickpeas and let it go up to 4 to 5 whistles in the pressure cooker. Once done, garnish it with some coriander leaves and that's it. Cooking this recipe in the pressure cooker is definitely the faster way, but making it in this way is the tastier one. So, if you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye. Also check out these 2 amazing vegan recipes.